One conclusion, rough, way fusion, in the water. Yeah, I play on grind, not some money, you are waste my time. And you don't waste mine, you are waste mine, and you are waste my time.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'll be testing out my drone, right, for its first official flight, right? So I just want to bring you guys along with me, you know. So right here, I literally just take it off the ground. This is just like area behind the community, behind the neighborhood, where you have a little stream, a little creek with a little bit of forestry. It's a very lovely area. It's a spot where a lot of persons come to chill out, you know, after a long day. This is a spot where you can come relax by the stream, you know, get to see a few animals like deers and like ducks and stuff like that. I mean, find this zone is kind of like a getaway, you know, after a long day, after a long week, you know. The view that it gives you is like a breath of fresh air. It's like a getaway flight. It gives you the feeling as if you're actually the one up there looking down. You know, it's such a wonderful feeling. It's something that I would recommend persons to do, is to get a drone and to fly whenever you have stuff on your mind. This is something that really helps to clear your mind. Something that really helps to clear your mind. So I'll 100% recommend drone flying. Guys, trust me. When you're up there, it's like it's so amazing having a bird's eye view of the area. Is like so wonderful, trust me. So with all that being said, I just want you to leave a comment. If you have not subscribed as yet, please do subscribe and please share. Yeah. Just look at this, guys. Just imagine yourself up there looking down on all these houses, roads, cars, trees. Trust me, guys, this is so relaxing. So relaxing. It's like a getaway. It's like somewhere where you can, just be alone, be one with nature, be one with the drone, you know. And now this is me heading back to my car. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.